Oh, our beautiful coffee arrived with the beautiful waiter also, right? You're welcome. How are you today?
Great, you're the first one who said I'm beautiful today.
Yo, good morning. How you doing, guys? This is the Pererenan beach, very popular place in Pererenan, which is actually a different village next to Canggu. And the biggest news here, as many of you know, here used to be a big sign of Pererenan. Unfortunately, it's gone. I don't know actually what's happened. And the beautiful Arjuna statue.
We just decided to stop in the Pererenan area, and it's just like the extended of the Canggu. Still, like, nowadays there are many tourists and also like the expat who is living in Canggu. And then now we will show you how the development of the Pererenan. Seems like so many villas around, and I remember that last time I went to Pererenan, it's just like a simple village, but nowadays.
And as Winnie said, exactly, I remember like maybe 2015, 16, maybe even in 2017, this where we are was not exist. There was like one old lady, I remember, selling the coconut somewhere here where is this white van parked, like local warung, only old lady selling coconut, few surfers, beautiful rice fields behind us, and that's it. But now it's like another city, just continuation of Canggu.
So yeah, Pererenan developed so well. I mean, like with the villas, hotels, and then warungs around. So we will show you how it is. Even someone asking us about, they are planning to move to Bali and thinking to live in Pererenan because of, the waves, surfers, digital nomads area or something like that.
Yeah.
So I remember when I was like teenagers, and then my dad took me here, just like the sightseeing and everything. And this area, it was like a big land with the cows, farms, like rice field. But look at now. Now everything is changing into the restaurant, local restaurant, and villas, beachfront villas. And I was we met some of our viewers. So just behind me, we see that many expats also living here. That's why the demands of the land, the price of the land is very expensive. Like this one. I think this one is a brand new restaurant. And then behind me also some brand new villas and villas.
Yeah, actually, everywhere.
Just like 360 degrees. This is how it is. Trust me, when it was 10 years ago, 5 years ago, this Pererenan village is just like village with the rice
like
paddies.
Your village lah.
Just like my village in my kampong.
Exactly.
But here, nowadays, the price of the land is so crazy.
And also, when we was on the beach making a beginning of the video, we met a lovely couple, and they had just moved not so long ago for their retirement plan. They stay somewhere here, so the area is bringing a lot of people, and they actually really like it because even it's already so busy, right? Not like your village now, but and it was 10 years ago. It's already very busy, but still vibe here is kinda. It's busy, but it's at the same time peaceful. It's not like in Canggu Center where you saw so many people driving around and so many shops, but it's like specific place.
Yes, so I was talking to the lady that we met, and even she told me that she also met the expat who live here for 30 years, who has a business, run a business in Bali. Even those also expats saying that this area in Pererenan changed a lot and changed very quickly. Like in everywhere, the development regarding to the properties, the restaurant, and everything changed a lot. So please comment me, guys, if you would like to live in this area of Pererenan. So yeah, as you see that around, the surfers also like to live here. And like once in our previous videos, like we don't really understand what's the hype of the Canggu and Pererenan. Once someone saying that's because of the digital nomads and the yogis, the yogas, like people who is doing yoga and everything.
Surfing.
So like all in one's here. So if you compare like Kuta again, so everything that moved to Canggu and going to the west.
Oh, our beautiful coffee arrived with the beautiful waiter also, right? You're welcome. How are you today?
Great, you're the first one who said I'm beautiful today.
Oh, thank you so much. You're welcome. Honey, don't be jealous, okay? Please, okay.
I agree with you. She's pretty nice.
Yes,
Thank
do.
you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
All right. So now we are in one new. I think that this is one brand new cafe that is just open in Pererenan area. So this is called the Woods
Woods Pererenan.
Pererenan. So yeah, we decided to have a coffee. This is not paid endorsement. We
No.
just show you how it is, and we order hot cappuccino and croissant. We didn't have any breakfast yet, so yeah, smacznego.
Much Lego.
Okay, so we found one brand new restaurant in Pererenan. It's very nice, and they said that it's just open last month, and they have a very nice bakery. I tried once. Yeah, this is the kitchen, how it is. The style is very nice, and look, the chef's cooking there. They also have a boutique, very nice, and nice sitting area. And it's just like very artistic. It's cool, very nice place. And up there also another sitting area, green concept inside the restaurant. So nice. I think that this one is the herbal tea. Very nice. Okay guys, if you're just curious about the name of the place, this is called Woods. This is not paid endorsement. I paid around 137.
Okay.
Coffee and cake. It's nice. I like it. Oh wow. Why there are so many horses behind me?
Yeah, nice.
Oh wow.
Nice entertainment.
Okay. So nice. Thank you. All right. So this is how the Pererenan area in Canggu, the area of the residential living, like going west, more western to Canggu, and like mixed with the local. In front of that there will be a new shop, and then yeah, you see that there are many foreigners, like this is how it is. Let's explore more. Alright, so now we will show you how is inside the Pererenan area residential living. And look at this, Harley Davidson for rent 500cc.
This one is 500cc maybe. And any other big bikes. And this is like a residential area, right? Like houses. Here is the local Balinese house with the temple upstairs, but down there is like a restaurant or
No, office.
office. Yeah,
And also on the left side, I think this one is villa.
villa here or something. Pretty
Yeah.
actually nice street here, yes?
Yeah, so I think that it's gonna be another restaurant here.
Yeah, and the here house for rent
Villas.
just next to you. You missed
House
this.
for rent. So this is what I told you, this area is just like the residential area, which is mix of local Balinese living and also expat living here. And you see warungs and everything. It seems like peaceful area of living.
So yeah, I could say it's actually really not so bad area to live in. It's close to Canggu, but it's actually not Canggu anymore. And you can feel the vibe like it's so quiet. It's different little bit, everything looks different than in Sanur, but in this specific street you could feel the vibe like in Sanur a little bit, except the construction over here because it's so loud. But after that, like you can still find even like a local shop or even local laundry like we are going every day, right? So,
Yeah, so just around many guest houses, many villas. This area, I think this is good for you if you wanna live. If
Thinking
it's good
about-
for you, if you wanna live, that is like apart from the Canggu area.
yeah. If you're looking to, of course, for the West Coast, whereas the surfing vibe and stuff like this, you cannot live in Sanur. But this is something similar, I could say. And Yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. I have to say it's pretty nice.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today about Pererenan area, Canggu. They call it as Canggu Pererenan. So I think that this is how it is. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. It's already hot. Bye.
Bye.